Okay, people are now making these arguments because I started this movement. The nafs doesn't like this. So people need to defend themselves. So they say to me, why do we pay council tax? I'm not telling you to pay council tax. I'm not telling you to pay council tax. It's not my task to do that. Whether you fall into problems with the council, that's your business. I'm telling you to be a responsible Muslim. There is a great difference. But what exemplifies this is when you go to Mecca al-Mukarramah, al-Madinah al-Munawwarah, you tell me, why are people from South Asia, from Pakistan, from India, from Bangladesh, and people who are economic migrants from those regions who live in the West, why are they the main groups that are littering in Mecca al-Mukarramah? Why are they littering everywhere? In Mecca, it's nothing to do with council tax. In Al-Madinah al-Munawwarah, it's nothing to do with council tax. They say we are Ashiqur Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam, but they throw litter literally in Al-Madinah al-Munawwarah, piles and piles of litter, to the extent when you walk around Al-Masjid al-Nabawi al-Sharif, you will see how they litter the courtyard of the best of creation sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Of course, the Saudi authorities employ South Asians, ironically, who clean it up. But why is that? Because they have become so habitual, thinking it's the task of someone else to pick this up. Some of them are so habitual, they do not even realize they are littering.